TJ Brown, your organic educator. I am a teacher, public school teacher, off for the summer, and these are just some projects that I like to do to keep myself busy and just to recharge, because we teachers need to recharge. So today I want to talk to you about how to make your own flaxseed hair gel. It is so beneficial for your hair, and I use it to make my hair twist, and sometimes when I want to define my curls. Right now I just have 2-strand hair twists using flaxseed hair gel, but then I also use my flaxseed hair gel to define my curls, even in the winter. But right now I'm rocking a nice summer breezy feel. I love having my hair in these twists. It feels cool, and as a woman in her 50s with menopause, trust me, it is needed. All right, so let's get into it. Some ingredients that you're going to need to make your own flaxseed gel include flaxseed. I buy this big old package from Amazon, and it will last me for about 2 months to make my own flaxseed hair gel. It is organic, and I just think it's a good brand. I've tried other brands. This is a good brand. All right, any kind of olive oil of your choice. I prefer extra virgin olive oil. All right, also spring water or distilled water. My city, and you might want to do research on your own city, but my city's water contains a little more chlorine than I would like, and you know that dries your hair out, so I try to avoid it when it comes to my hair, just using any kind of city water. All right, cloves, whole cloves, and also fresh rosemary, or you could use dried rosemary. So let's talk about each ingredient. Flaxseed. So flaxseed is beneficial for the hair because it is very hydrating. It also has good slippage as it goes through your hair, and it helps define your curls. It strengthens your locks and your tresses. So this is some good stuff. If you want to do your own research and just look it up a little more, do so, because disclaimer, I am not an expert. All right. Extra virgin olive oil has a lot of fatty acids in there that are really good for coating and strengthening your hair. I love oiling my scalp, and I love making sure that my ends are oiled to prevent split ends, and also just coat my hair follicles, and just it smooths my hair, as well as along with the flaxseed. Perfect combination. Cloves. Cloves help stimulate hair growth. There is some kind of antiseptic or something for the scalp that keeps it, reduces bacteria on the scalp, and you know that's all important because I'm trying to avoid thinning here and here. So anything I can do to boost hair growth and also prevent hair fall, I'm all for it. Rosemary is my winner all day long. It has proven for me for years to help reduce hair fall and stimulate hair growth and keep my thinning edges on point. I love some rosemary, and I have fresh rosemary shrubs in my yard. If you don't have fresh rosemary in your yard, that's fine. You can grow it in a pot on a balcony. It depends on where you're from. I'm from Boston, Massachusetts originally, even though you can't hear the accent. I've been here forever. But I know that it might be hard to grow rosemary there because the rosemary as a shrub is hardy, but maybe not for that zone. So you can grow it indoors with a UV light. Or you can just buy it from the grocery store. You can buy it fresh, or you can buy dried. I have purchased dried rosemary in bulk from Amazon as well. And by the way, I will provide links for all of these products in my comment section just for you. So some other things that you're going to need, of course, are some measuring cups, a pot, and a spoon, a strainer, cheesecloth, your measuring cups, all of that stuff is what you're going to need. So this is part 1 of the how to make your own flaxseed hair gel, and in my next video I will show you how to make your own homemade flaxseed hair gel step by step. So please take this time to like and subscribe to my channel, and also share, comment. All of those things help with the algorithm, and if you continue to watch my video until this point, that's excellent. You can always just let it play if you're doing other things, but let it play and tell your friends to let it play, because that definitely helps boost my exposure on YouTube. So once again, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. I'm TJ Brown, the Organic Educator.